Across the Caribbean region, there was a feast of happiness. A great work of service has been done towards the communities, such as distribution of non-perishable food, hot meals, hygienic care, and spiritual nourishment. According to research, approximately 2,000 homeless people living in Jamaica lack basic necessities such as food and clothing. That's the reason the Unisocial hosts this event, the fast that pleased God.
So what do you think about this event, Mr. Bagri?
It is a wonderful thing, and because we are seeing what is happening, we know God is in the midst, and God is taking this church and this organization to a higher level. And these people are welcome and they are enjoying themselves.
Okay, I know this is something put on by church, but it's not. I have something against churches. I grew up in the church all my life, and I realized that the church, some churches only want to help certain people, but I realized today that this church will help everybody that interested in church. That is why I'm happy to be here today. Some churches believe that people only come looking for something. You can beg somebody from the river to eat. Anybody can get something to eat. But this church interested in helping people.
Guyana, Bonaire, St. Vincent. Trinidad and Tobago. It has created a great impact across the Caribbean that so many people were helped.